Hello, I'm attorney Vince Davis. For nearly 40 years, I have helped families navigate the legal system here in California. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most stressful experiences a person can face, the process of divorce in California. California law is unique, and understanding your rights from the beginning is critical to protecting your future. First, it is important to know that California is a no-fault divorce state. This means you do not have to prove your spouse did something wrong. You simply need to state that there are irreconcilable differences that have caused an irremediable breakdown of the marriage. To file here, at least one spouse must have lived in California for 6 months and in the filing county for 3 months. Now let's talk about property. California is a community property state, which generally means an equal split of marital assets. This includes almost everything acquired during the marriage, from houses and cars to bank accounts and even retirement debts. Property owned before the marriage or received as an inheritance or gift is usually considered separate property. However, separate property can become community property if it is commingled. This is a complex area where legal advice is essential. Perhaps the most emotional part of any divorce involves the children. California courts focus on the best interests of the child. There are 2 types of custody: legal custody, which involves decision-making, and physical custody, which is where the child lives. The courts generally prefer joint custody arrangements to ensure the child has frequent and continuing contact with both parents. Child support is calculated using a statewide formula. It considers each parent's income and the amount of time spent with the child. This support is intended to cover the children's needs, health insurance, and educational expenses until they reach adulthood. Spousal support, often called alimony, is not automatic. The court looks at several factors to determine if it is appropriate. Factors include the length of the marriage, the standard of living during the marriage, and each person's earning capacity. In marriages lasting less than 10 years, support is usually paid for half the length of the marriage. Long-term marriages are different. The process begins by filing a petition and summons. Once served, the other spouse has 30 days to file a response. Even in the simplest cases, a divorce cannot be finalized until at least 6 months after the initial papers were served. Both parties must exchange detailed financial disclosures. This is a crucial step to ensure transparency in dividing assets. Most cases are settled out of court through negotiation or mediation. However, if an agreement cannot be reached, a judge will decide. Because every family situation is different, having an experienced attorney to guide you is the best way to protect your interests. At our firm, we focus on providing clear, strategic advice so you can make informed decisions about your future and your family. We understand the emotional toll this takes, and we are here to handle the legal complexities while you focus on your personal well-being. Whether you have complex business interests, high-value real estate, or sensitive custody issues, we have the experience to help. We also offer mediation services for couples who wish to resolve their differences in a more collaborative and less adversarial way. The final stage is the entry of a judgment. This document outlines every detail of your property division, support, and custody. Once the judge signs the judgment and the 6-month period has passed, you are legally single and can move forward with your life. Keep in mind that laws can change, and specific local rules in your county might affect how your case is handled in court. This is why a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. Your case deserves a strategy tailored to your specific goals and facts. If your case involves safety concerns or domestic violence, there are immediate legal protections available, such as restraining orders. Divorce is a major transition, but you don't have to face it alone. Professional legal counsel provides the clarity you need. Our goal is to help you reach a resolution that allows you to step into your new future with confidence and peace of mind. Start gathering your financial records early and stay focused on the long-term outcome rather than short-term frustrations. Having a clear plan and the right support system in place will make the entire process significantly more manageable for you. If you are considering a divorce or have been served with papers, reach out to us to discuss your situation and your rights. We are here to help you understand the law and find the best path forward for you and your family here in California. Thank you for watching. We look forward to providing the professional guidance and representation you deserve. Call us at 888-888-6582.